Assalamualaikum my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. This is Sonia Khan Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morniship, Dhaka. And today I am going to take an English language class for the student of class 1 student. And our today's topic is lesson 7, exercise 1 and 2. Look at the board student. Again I am saying our today's topic is lesson 7, exercise 1 and 2. And our lecture number is 13 and homework number is 18. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board student. New Enjoying Grammar book, and this book lesson 7. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are all pronouns. The names of lesson is pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Read these sentences. I am Adrita. Sorry, I am Aditya. I am Aditya. I am in class 1. Are you in class 1 too? Here, I, you. These are all pronouns. Again, Rita has a doll. She likes the doll. Here, Rita has a doll and she likes the doll. So, she is also pronoun and we write she instead of this Rati, this naming words. Rati has a doll. She likes the doll. So, we write, here write she instead of Rati. Rati is the naming word. Rohit has a cat. Rohit has a cat. He also has a doll. Again here used he instead of Rohit. Rohit is also a naming word. So we used here he instead of naming words Rohit. The rabbit is eating a carrot. It is hungry. The rabbit is eating a carrot. It is hungry. So rabbit is also an animal and also a naming word. So we used here it. So we used here it pronouns. The children are blowing bubbles. The children are blowing bubbles. Here use they are happy. The children is the plural form of child, and these are also naming words and we used here they. They are children. At the children we used they instead of these children. Sometimes we do not repeat the naming words. Sometimes we do not repeat the naming words. We use other words in place of them. All the words in color are used in place of the naming words. All the words in color like I, you, she, he, it, they all are pronouns and they all are used instead of this naming word like Aditya, class 1, then Rati, she, Rohit, he, the rabbit, it, the children, they. Sometimes we do not repeat the naming words. We use other words in place of them. All words in color are used in place of the naming word. So we used pronouns instead of the naming words. We use I for myself. We used I for myself. We used pronoun I for myself and we for ourselves. We is the plural of I. We for ourselves and we is the plural of I. You for the person we are talking to. You for the person we are talking to. The plural of you is also you. Plural of you is also you. You have to remember that you have to remember student that the plural of you is also you. She for girl, we use she for girl. He for a boy, she for a girl and he for a boy. And eat for a place, a thing, an animal, a fruit, and for vegetable. We use eat for place, thing, animal, fruit and vegetable. Look at the back student. Here the rabbit. Here the rabbit is an animal and we used here eat pronoun. Eat pronoun. Okay. Again I am saying eat for a place, a thing, an animal, a fruit and for a vegetable. They for more than one person. We use they for more than one person, place, thing, fruit or vegetables. Again I am saying we use they for more than one person. We use they for more than one person, place, thing, fruit or vegetable. They is the plural form of she, he and it. They is the plural form of she, he and it. Look at the back student. The children. Here are more than one person or two person. So we used here they. Here are more than one person, so that we use here they. They are happy. The children, and we use pronoun they. Again I am saying they for more than one person, place, thing, fruit or vegetable. They is the plural of she, he and it. So my dear student, I hope all of you students have understood these pronouns. So we start our today's exercise. Exercise number 1. Circle the correct words in this sentence. Circle the correct words in this sentence. One is done. All of you done for. All of these exercises are done for you. Number 1. Rita is my friend. He, she, it is very clever. So she is the answer. She, because Rita is a girl. So Rita is a girl. So that we used here she. Number 2. The teacher asked Sarita. The teacher asked Sarita, do you, she, he have a pencil? The teacher asked Sarita, do you? So here you is the pronoun of Sarita. So the teacher asked Sarita, do you have a pencil? Number 3. Don't drink the water from that bottle. He, she, it is dirty. We used here it instead of water. We used here it instead of water because he used for boy and she used for girl. Number 4. The boy is in the photograph is my brother. He, she, it is a very tall. Here we used he instead of the boy because the boy or our brother is a boy. Okay? The boy and brother is male person. That's why we used here he. Number 5. Maya and I are neighbors. Maya and I are neighbors. We often play together. We read that they for more than one person. Here is also more than one person because, but when we get third person and first person in a sentence, we have to use we instead of I. We have to use we instead of I because we is the plural of I. Again I am saying that when we see that or when we get third person and first person in a sentence, then we will make plural form of first person. Then we will make plural form of first person. So we is the plural form of first person. So Maya and I are neighbor. We often play together. Number 6. Jacob and Promila are at the bus stop. Jacob and Promila are at the bus stop. Here are more than one person so we say that they are waiting for the bus. They are waiting for the bus. This is the correct. 7. Linda and I went to the library. Linda and I went to the library. We saw many books. Here the same of 5 because here third person and first person. So we will make plural form of first person. Plural form of first person I. So we is the plural form of I. Linda and I went to the library. We saw many books. Number 8. Where is Ginger the dog? Where is Ginger the dog? Here is an animal. So we used here it is in the garden. Where is the Ginger? It is in the garden. Again I am saying number 1 is she, number 2 you, number 3 it, number 4 he, number 5 we, number 6 they, number 7 we, number 8 it. So my dear student, then we start exercise number 2. Replace the words in color with he, she, it, again I am saying replace the words in color with he, she, it, we or they and complete or write the sentences. Number 1. Farah was not well. Farah went to the doctor. Farah was not well. She went to the doctor. Farah, because Farah is a female person, so we make plural form of Farah is she. Plural form of Farah is she. She went to the doctor. Number 2. Grandfather has a big car. The car is very old. The car is very old. Grandfather has a big car. It is very old. We make plural form of the car. We made the again I am saying girls, Farah was not well. Farah went to the doctor. Farah was not well. She went to the doctor. So we make pronouns. Of Farah is she. She went to the doctor. Number 2. Grandfather has a big car. The car is very old. Grandfather has a big car. So we make pronouns it instead of the cars. It is very old. Number 3. The man is walking fast. The man is walking fast. The man is in hurry. The man is walking fast. He is in hurry because the man is a male person. That's why we used here he is in a hurry. Number 4. Where are the birds? The birds are on the tree. Where are the birds? The birds are on the tree. Where are the birds? They are on the trees. The birds are more than 1 or 2 birds. That's why we use they. And another thing that the birds are kinds of animals type. That's why we used here they are on the tree. Number 5. Ben came to my party. Ben and I had lots of fun. Ben came to my party. We had lots of fun. Ben and I had lots of fun. Third person and first person. So we will make pronouns of first person. So we is the pronoun of first person I. We had lots of fun. So my dear student, this is our today's topic, exercise 1 and exercise 2. And our homework number is 8 and exercise 1 to 5. Exercise 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 will be your homework. So my dear students, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic and will do your homework and submit your homework on Saturday. See you again inshallah.